with that bit?
Up.
Everything's widened up.
Yep.
Do you want to pull your slip down maybe and put it on here so everything's kind of doing the same thing? Screw broke off in there? Of course it did. The way we're going here, we'll be here till 10 o'clock tonight. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking at here too. Hold that electric again. Frank, what are we doing here, Frank? Oh, this is doing surgery, Kelvin. Gotta feed me it, or else the patient dies. Oh, he's dead already. Had a heart attack. Dead on the operating table. That should be it, right? Yeah, why not? Huh? We could screw it after. Alright. So, why is it bumping up when we do that? See how it's bumping up now? Why is that going up like that?
Probably because the hole surgery.
Oh, you think it's hitting already?
Yeah, it's definitely hitting.
Alright. What'd they let you use?
They only had the
Fork? They let you use a forklift?
No, they only
Holy cow, I was gonna say. What kind of equipment are we damaging here? We are, we had a big mess this morning because you could see the difference in size of this thing versus that big monster that's inside. The widths, we had a severe problem with getting the old one out. Now we're ready to slide the new one in, and we're gonna have a much better time doing it because this is much skinnier than the big old one. I mean, you could see the big one is much wider, much taller. This is just much more efficient and, you know, just a lot easier to slide into place. So, but if you've seen what we had to do this morning to get that old one out, we had to block it up, and it was a mess. So, pretty much a disaster. That's the way it was. Yeah, this thing's. They always oversize the furnaces, you know, so when we come in and measure everything, when we do our due diligence and come in and measure the whole house out and, you know, get the proper size, a lot of the guys, they don't size anything. They just put the biggest system they can in, and what that does for the customers or clients, you're overpaying for fuel, you know, it's way oversized and it's not needed, you know. So when oil was cheap years ago, okay, put the biggest one in and, you know, it'll definitely heat the house, you know, but now when oil's, you know, expensive, you know, well, now it's all about efficiency, you know. So put the right size furnace in you need for the house and you're good to go. All right, we're ready. So this thing will strap up, get this thing ready. Gonna tilt it your way a little. Good. I don't need these now. I got Jersey Mike's for lunch today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Deli?
Yeah. You guys don't have Jersey Mike's up there?
That's the thing?
Yeah, it's well, I'm not saying it's like the best thing, but it's
Super Subway.
yeah, it's a good, it's like better than Subway, right?
Yeah, I'll say like a premium. I put it between Subway and like Nardelli's.
Yeah.
We had Nardelli's.
Yeah. in there. You don't have to push that lever every time. See this lever? If you do it, it's gonna...
That just releases it?
Yeah, it just releases it. So. Alright. Let's see how Justin's doing in here. We have changed the music selection up every day. Today we're listening 90s on 9. Tomorrow will be 2000s. If Daryl was here, we'd be listening to the 50s. We'd all want to go to sleep. Daryl likes Taylor Swift though, I think. Really is what he likes. Oh boy.
What is this?
Love songs on the job. Radio. Yeah. Well, my mistake. Daryl likes this song. Alright, you want to get your side on, Justin, and then we'll just...
Yeah, we almost have to,
Watch your hands. I'm going to pull it down. That's better. How does that look?
yeah, this side's down now, though. I mean, that's gotta be up there if it's level, but
Yeah, then
let's get that as low as we can. Yep, there you go.
just drop it and take it off. It's on, right? Oh yeah. This bad boy's got some weight.
Forward.
Just to meet it?
Yeah, for this to line up.
Really?
Oops. The other ones. Trying to figure it all out. Gotta make this new piece here now. See how it goes. We'll see.
Trying to fix the little mess that we have inside there, because stuff's not lining up the way we thought it would. So we have to make some fittings here, which is not a fun part. So we had something complete 90 that we were able to hammer over the edges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pallet.
Yeah, that's kind of what we You want to do it on this, or?
I mean, that's. You
Yeah,
want to do it this way or down on this?
Whatever's more of a 90.
At least we have the length here. Just, you know.
No, I need to bend these flanges.
Oh,
Well,
them
I
too?
guess I could
You
bend.
can do them with the bar, no?
Yeah. All right, yeah. So I want to bend. The option to bend either way here, right?
Yeah, you want to hide the letter? Or
Probably. Right?
marker?
see if that'll do 2. We could cut that off if we had to, but I figured what is it gonna hurt?
I'm gonna use it to screw to it.
Yeah, or something, yeah.
One side straight, no? Then we could just screw flat. Because we'll use the flange to screw to the unit. And then we could just screw to the...
Yeah, the other side
to the duct, right?
flange up on it, right?
We can flatten those. Because they're flat already, the other side.
Yeah, I don't care. I was thinking even the furnace has the flanges up.
So I don't need to bend one side of this.
Yeah, I guess not, no. Well, how are you gonna get down that, you know? I think without making too much trouble, if that is flat all the way around that one lip, we could, if you make one end just flat, 90, the other will stay straight, it'll be the furnace side down.
Okay. Keep him in the cold.
Let's see.
Put that in from that side, Colin.
That's right, right?
Yeah, and then we gotta raise up with the feet.
Well, do you want to screw it now?